Astute 2020 Advanced Sustainable Manufacturing Technologies is a multi-university partnership of 5 Welsh higher education institutions, part-funded by the European Regional Development Fund through the Welsh Government. Working with the high-value manufacturing industry across Wales through effective collaboration with academia by applying advanced engineering knowledge to manufacturing challenges, aiming to drive productivity and growth through the industry.
My name is Chris Loynes. I'm the factory manager of Lyte Ladders Towers based in Swansea. Lyte have been manufacturing a range of glass fibre and access equipment for over 65 years. We initially approached Astute back in 2012 and have been collaborating with the team ever since on various research projects. This allowed us to develop and understand pre-welding processes and exploiting Astute's 2020's research expertise to further our own knowledge. We had difficulties in optimising the robot welding process, resulting in a high number of defects, costing time, money for the business. Astute 2020 were able to support us with their expertise in advanced materials, computer modelling and manufacturing systems. The collaboration has assisted us to move from manual welding to more sophisticated automation for ladder manufacturing and scaffold towers. As a direct impact of the collaboration, we've been able to increase our workforce, employing 7 new people. We have been able to expand our existing product range, as well as introduce new products to the market. The knowledge and understanding of our manufacturing challenge and the research conducted by the team allowed us to have confidence in the project being delivered successfully. Without Astute's 2020 support, we wouldn't be adopting advanced manufacturing technologies so quickly in order for us to improve the welding division of the business to ensure a long-term future for the company in West Wales and the Valleys. It was great to know there is expertise right on our doorstep in Swansea. We've had a great experience with working with Swansea University, and we'd like the sort of partnership to continue.